Okay, here are your answers for part 2. This is your data for the U.S. students. Double check and make sure that your tally marks and your frequency are correct. So you'll notice for this, you don't have any data for name lengths of 1 letter all the way through 8 letters. Those are all zeros. So we don't have name lengths for the U.S. starting until 9 letters. And our longest name length is 17. So this is going to be part 3. On the next page is asking you to compare the 2 frequency tables, the Chinese shortest and longest name lengths, and then the U.S. shortest and longest name lengths. And you can use your frequency table to figure this out, but I'm going to have you just copy this down. This is really important once you're looking at the data and comparing. This is what I wanted you to be able to see. The shortest name length for the Chinese is 4 letters, and the shortest for the U.S. is 9, which also happens to be the longest for the Chinese. So the longest name length for the Chinese is 9 letters, which is our shortest. And then our longest is 17. So you can clearly see from looking at the tables that the U.S. name lengths are a lot longer. And then I wrote down the examples from our list of names so you can see. Like Yu Hu is one of the short Chinese names, and the longest name, there's an example here, versus Jack Kelly, which is the shortest U.S. name. And then Lillian Richardson is a long example for U.S. name. So make sure that this note gets taken on your lab sheet. And then what I would like you to do is have you take a look at how to transfer this data into a graph that we're going to be looking at next, called the line plot.